He said what? He said, kiss me outside. How about that? Hello, my partiers. It's your favorite girl, Tiffany, back in the spot again. And today, you guys, can't you feel it nearby? Can't you feel it nearby? Love is in the air, you guys. The love is in the air. I also forgot to tell you guys, make sure you look out for the different Valentine's videos I will be doing. I don't know how many I'm going to be doing, but I know I'm going to be posting to almost Valentine's Day with different Valentine's treats you can make for your loved ones, or even if you want to do some Valentine's candy bags for your kids. I will be posting videos, like I said, almost to Valentine's Day. So be on the lookout for those videos, you guys, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like I tell you guys, my channel is unique. My channel is fun. So just keep that in mind. Okay, you guys, so this is number 2 project for me and Amaya, for Amaya's Valentine's Day gift. And we're going to take these frames that I told you guys about in the first video, and we are going to decorate them with conversation hearts. And this little pack of conversation hearts, you guys, I bought from Dollar Tree. From the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to take these. Amaya, you want to take this frame right here? Okay. Let me take the backing off, because they're just peel and stick, you guys. Okay. Okay, Amaya, can you grab that one? Take the paper. Grab the... Okay. You guys, just one moment. See here. Hold it down, Amaya. Okay. Okay. Finally. Okay, Amaya. We're going to stick it right on the edge. Good job. So we're going to go along the edges with these conversation hearts, you guys. So I'm going to stick some of these and I'll be back. Okay, we're back, you guys. So we got a couple of them, of the stickers peeled off, and we're just going to stick them. Amaya's going to stick them around this frame. Nope, around here. Under the yellow one, Amaya. Yep, right there. Okay, so she's stuck the orange in her. Okay. There's one more. What about right here, Amaya? Good job. Okay. Take the blue one. Okay, so she's got her pink, yellow, her orange, blue. Okay. White one. And then her purple one. And we're going to keep going across. with these stickers, you guys. Okay, take that one, Amaya. Put it right here. Yep. And that is Coco, you guys. Amaya's dog. Right, Amaya? That's your dog barking? Yes, it is. Okay, take that yellow one away. Let's put it right there. Okay. What about... You're gonna use what color next? Orange. Okay. Can you peel it off of mine? You can't get it off either? Oh, you got it off. Peel it off. Yep. Okay. What happened to your heart? What happened to your heart, Amaya? That's okay. Okay, you guys, so you get the picture. Amaya's gonna go all the way across here and down with stickers. So we'll be back to show you the finish. Okay, you guys, so Amaya is on her last frame. See, we have stuck our stickers on the frames, you guys. Okay, Amaya. Let's see how many you got to go. And Amaya still has to go across the bottom with some. Here you go, Amaya. Here's one. So you guys, I'm helping Amaya out with her frame. Okay, Amaya, there's another one. Right there. Okay. Got it on there? So let's show everybody our frames that we did. So here's one, you guys. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. So now what I'm going to do is take Amaya's pictures, and I actually have to cut them down, you guys, to fit in these frames. The pictures I printed say 5x7, but they're not matching the frames. So I'm going to have to cut them down. So I am going to cut these down, and we'll be back to show you. Okay, guys, so these are the finished frames. So 1, 2, 3. So that was an easy DIY project, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, we will up my party with them next time. Bye.
Bye.
Wait a minute. You said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.